Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time, you just or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our video, or you go just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. God bless you. Thank you. So today we want to talk about this our sister. She say she get pikin for Nigeria. The husband dey tell am say that pikin wey e get for Nigeria, say make e choose between him and that pikin. Make I tell una wetin happen before una judge. Una no quick to judge o. I know say some people go don talk say na pikin first. Yes, na pikin first, but una lis ten to wetin dey happen, why the man talk that word. So this our sister, I say im papa born many children. When only one wife he marry, but they get many children. Im papa just dey born anyhow. He no dey care to take care of the children. He say na she be senior. He said to even buy book or pay anything for school, im papa no dey gree pay. You understand? He says as a senior and she know book well and she like to go to school. He said na first before you go, your papa go even give her money. He say go hard, he go cry. Money to take buy book o. When be say some people dey even dey force their children go school. You understand? He say so na so he come take battle until one day they come need something for school. He come still go tell him papa. Him papa come talk say he no get money. I say cry. Papa wan come give am. He come give am half of the money. Now he come say where he wan for see the remaining balance. Papa say he no know. You understand? And him mama na he no even dey do anything about that. You understand? I know say some papa, if they no dey try, mama go see dey try. But this one nothing. He say as he dey cry, na one guy wey he know for the area, na see him friend. Now he come tell am say wetin? Now he come tell am say see. Now the guy come give am the balance money. He come go pay. Since then they come be friends. As they come be friends, before you know wetin dey happen now, you know say boys no dey do something for person for free. Nothing goes for nothing. If guy give you something, especially for that Africa country, he must want something in return, you know, because of that little help wey he help her now. Na so the guy come dey pepper dey go. He wan chop apple. Na so he come take chop the apple. Before you know the apple belle don enter. He no even know say he get belle. After some months, now he come dey notice say him body dey change. Now he come tell him mama. Now him mama come talk say na belle be this, so who give you? Now he come say so who give me o? And this guy so he no dey stay with his parents, he dey stay with his sister. Now they come go meet the sister. See wetin your pikin do o, okra wey he plant, he don germinate o. Now the guy come talk say yes na him. Make dem remove am because the guy no get work and the girl no get work. Na so they come go where they want for do am. They reach there, now they say the pregnancy don too big, say they no temper am. Now they come say nothing you do na to born the pikin. Now the guy no still dey okay. The guy come carry am go another place. Those ones say they'll fit do am. Now the guy come dey fear say all these people don already say they no fit do am. This one say they'll fit do am. He no wan lose his life because of pikin. He no dey do. He say the guy no still rest o. He say you know as person dey sick all this sick now, you can't go bring one medicine for. I say this your sickness when you dey sick every time now. Okay, see medicine. Oh yeah, drink. He say now he come talk say wetin be this medicine? Say e go make you well, no worry. He say na so he come take the medicine. Immediately he take the medicine, na so belle dey turn, na him wan die. He say the pikin sister kokoroko kakaraka. He say the pikin no come. He say he come sick. He say na God na save am. Last. So his sister come. One of his mama sister wey dey abroad come. Already they don dey talk say make she grow come, don carry am come abroad. You understand now? At the time that one come say they want take her come abroad, she don get belle. Hey, who say? And they say the sister come, the mama and the papa, they start to see her now. Now when they want carry you go abroad, make you help the family. You don't want carry belle. The sister say no fit carry with pregnancy. Make it born first. Now so that one take go. They can't put that pepper body for her body. Even when she born, they never they care for her. The pikin go even they sick self. They feel say now that small pikin, now I can remove sugar, come out for their mouth. They no even they care for the pikin and all that. You understand? So later, now the woman come dey try, or she say she come dey try to take care of the pikin and all that. You understand? later his sister come back when she don born. They come say okay, this time around they wan come carry her. Now he come beg the parents, say abeg, this my pikin, mother help me take care of her. I no get anybody wey I fit give. Una know say papa e no send because the guy first wan make the pikin comot. As e no comot, e no even send. I just leave am with the pikin, not dey ask of her, nothing. Because you know say na only me one, na this pikin get now. Abeg, mother help me take care of this pikin. Now the parents say no problem, say they go take care of the pikin. Na so he take follow his sister comot. When he follow his sister comot, as he come abroad, he no know say abroad no be easy thing. Wetin he come dey see, because his sister tell am say na hair na she wan come do for abroad. She go dey plait hair, say he get salon. He come even learn how to dey do hair. He say when he reach there, not be hair again. Na another thing he come dey do. Na he say he no dey do. Before he know wetin dey happen, his sister dey shout. He dey call the parents. The parents say do wetin your maid dey do. This and this, that and that. He say he no even come get choice. Now he come, they say if you cannot beat them, you join them. Now so he come take join them. He come dey do. Meanwhile, as he dey do am, he say that time if oyibo na you understand, if they touch that two things wey dey for chest now, if they touch am, they dey see seed for inside. And she herself, she notice say seed dey. Say because time when he get that pregnancy that time, he say they come the way that they go rub pregnancy belle, all this traditional place. Now they go rub her, where the woman for the rub her belle. Now there the woman come say the pikin not dey belle, the pikin dey breast. He no say pikin for belle. Say you have to bring the pikin down to belle. Now the woman come carry one thing. Say the thing be like stone. Now so the woman use am dey draw do the breast, dey rub am. He go put medicine. He say make the pikin for go belle. Say because na breast e dey. Say that time he say na so they take do before she come born. So when she come when after she born, she dey notice say she get seed for there. So if oyibo na you understand, if the hand just see they come say why e be say seed dey no be one, no be two. He say na for there na one come talk say no, this one if it cause another thing for your body, say you have to go for checkup so that make them know wetin really dey there. He come tell him mama sister say see him mama sister say abeg make he go work make he leave that this thing he no get am for there. He come talk say he need to treat himself. If he enemy die na the money matter you go dey talk. He say na so he take follow this man with stubbornness. They come go hospital. Then they come say that seed when e dey there, they need to operate am. Say na so they come take operate the thing. Say no be small wahala. Na so they call parents sef, they no dey help matter. Now no say person wey don travel come abroad na be sacrificial lamb, no be pikin again. Immediately you dey, most family 99% of family, immediately you dey carry your leg comot for that house, dey come Europe. You no be pikin again. They'll come use you as your backup mat. You come be their backup mat, as one of our sister talk. Now wetin just dey happen from 99% of women when e come abroad, even some men too. He say na so they come dey worry am. They dey worry because say you need to take care of herself first before anything. He say last everything come see settle. He come settle them. He come jam this guy wey he jam. He say for that reason he no come dey mingle with them in family again because of wetin they do am. They say they call for him head that time. Everybody come share garri. He come dey with this guy. Now only this guy now he come know. They come dey together. Meanwhile he dey send money to his parents for house. He dey tell them say make dem take care of him pikin, make dem put him pikin for school. He come still manage, still do small thing for house. He build house. Then he come say make dem dey stay there and all that. He say but that the pikin come get as e be. E come be like say him parents go spoil that pikin. I no know that una understand me. Pikin wey dey omonamuria, pikin wey dey spoil. E come be like say dem spoil the pikin. The pikin no know, no dey do things wey other children dey do. You understand? And school wey dem put the pikin, im go send school fees for the pikin na 12,000 naira a term. But im mama say na 25,000 naira a term. And im mama no even dey pay the fees. E no dey pay at all. The pikin, the time wey e no take dey go school na many pa, but the pikin no dey talk. If he call the pikin, you go school, pikin go say go school, and he no go school because they no pay school fees. Because they will tell am say if you talk say they no pay school fees, you are in trouble. The pikin no go talk. The pikin no even know wetin dey happen. You understand? And the pikin, they go dey bring result come for this woman say na so the pikin take first, na so e take second for school. The woman go dey happy for Europe say pikin no book o, na dey take first, na dey take second for school. You no know say pikin na olodo. no know anything. So the way the country dey do, e go say okay, this pikin don still grow, pikin wey dey 14 years, e go fit still dey talk for phone. E go say make dem give am phone, e go carry phone go out, na so dem go do, dem go kolobi the phone, dem no go give the pikin the phone. He say na so dem come dey do. Later he come by himself buy phone for here. So he say he come by himself buy phone for here. See say okay, make him go give this pikin, maybe e go still go. He come tell dem say this phone more na not touch am. He give dem serious warning. Dem come carry this phone give e pikin. Na so he go carry clothes come, e pikin go dey wear rag. Dem no go give e pikin the clothes. He no know wetin dem dey use the clothes dey do. He say they come finally they come give the pikin that phone. He go dey call the pikin, never even call the pikin reach how many days. If he come dey call the pikin number, the number no dey go again, because say somebody don take the phone go block her from not calling that e pikin. He say na he come talk say he come call his sister, say why you dey call the pikin phone, the phone no dey go. Now they come control phone, they come say somebody don block the phone. They no know who go block her number for the phone. You understand? He say na so dem dey do am. He go carry clothes go, dem no go give you pikin. He say he go send somebody go and say get pikin o, abeg see go my house go check my pikin. He say if you see pikin no be like person wey get mama for abroad. He say if you see pikin head, dem no dey fit barb the pikin head. He say na so then he come cry go meet him husband. Then he come beg him husband say, my darling husband, see my pikin wey I get for house, e dey suffer, e dey chop amala with ewedu soup. Abeg, e need help. My parents no dey take care of this pikin well. Now the man come talk say okay, make you look for another person. Now you see they bring the suggestion o, make you look for another person wey go take care of this pikin. Say come say okay. He say they come look for another person. Na as him mama hear, mama say wetin dey bring that one when e dey alive, person go dey take care of him grandpikin, he no go gree. Dem come go dey threa ten that one. You know say our African people na so dem dey do. If you give them work, make dem work, dem no fit work am, you wan give another person, dem no mind, dem fit even do anything to that person. Dem go go to any length for that person. Dem come dey threa ten this woman. Then this woman say abeg o, you no fit o, you no fit take care of your pikin again. Na there your husband come talk say okay, wetin we go do now? Make you just go body house for Lagos, 400,000 naira a term. Say make dem just kukuma put am for there, na that one go go pass. He say na there dem come put the pikin. But if school come take holiday, e go still dey the school, e go pay extra money. Sometimes the man go help am find family wey the small boy will go do holiday with, so that e go after the holiday e go come go back to school again. Before the boy start go that school, they come tell when they go register the boy for the school, they come say make they need to see the boy results before anything. Then he come call the parents say the result wey take dey go school since then, abeg una give me. Then they come because he even come lie, because if he talk say he wan use am for Nigeria for there, they no go gree. Come lie say na Europe they want for use am, he wan give them for Europe make they use am. They ask am because of say some kind document say he get pikin wey dey go school for Africa. Na cause na so him papa come say bring the result come out. So they carry the result go school. They come say na good result, na very good result. Now they come say okay, they wan interview the boy. When they interview the boy, now they come talk say the class wey dem say make dem put this boy, dem no fit put this boy for that class because the boy he no know anything. If you ask am say wetin be A, he go say A for akpu. He no know anything. Then dem come say this boy now he dey 14 years, because say years too big, dem go leave am for primary 3. If not, na primary 2 na he suppose to go. But because say na 14 years e dey and e big, they go manage put am for primary 3. They just spoil pikin for this girl hands. Parents now dey tell you so. They no dey let am go school, they go dey forge results, go dey give him mama say he take first, he take second. The real school wey the mama come put am now, they say 14 years pikin go start for primary 2. He say wetin he go do? He say nothing wey him fit do. He say na so he come dey pay the school fees and all that, and if dem still take holiday, you still come pay extra money for anywhere when the pikin wan go do holiday. He say so the load e come dey too much for them. Now there the man come cry come and say abeg he no fit again. He say but he come tell the man say na you bring this idea come say make him put this pikin for this but you see he bring the idea say but the expense is too much because now country wey dem dey now dem no dey pay the children again. Dem say the man dey work, na the man go dey pay the children, and the man come feel now say na he go come dey take care. He come ask am say okay where the pikin papa? He say the pikin papa dey but he no send the pikin papa. Na the man come talk say lele o, as far as say the pikin get papa, the papa must come take care of him responsibility. He no fit take care of that pikin responsibility. The papa need to come out come take care of the responsibility because he no fit dey pay that 400,000 for body school and other expenses wey dey follow am. The guy say he no fit again. Before you know wetin dey happen, we say the guy no come dey stay house again, he no dey sleep house again. Na outside then dey go sleep say expenses too much. Na make the woman choose now either he call the father of that boy make he come dey take care of the responsibility, or he go leave the woman because he no fit again. And the woman say the pikin don dey do well now for where he dey, but that money e big, but he no fit carry this pikin go back to his parents when he don already know damage wey dem don do to this pikin. Dem no take care of am, dem spoil this pikin for him hand. Dem no let am go school. Dem go say e dey go school. Dem no let am get sense. Dem whether na otonopo dem come take turn the pikin head o. He say he no know. You understand? He say so na him make him dey talk now say una tell him wetin he go do because now he no fit leave that pikin for that kind condition wey that pikin dey because na him first blood. And him husband too, he no wan lose him husband because he no wan be single mother. You understand? Because that first one now na another papa. The one he born now for this man now na another papa. He come say okay dey go, he go still come carry another papa. He say because the man no dey beat him, the man dey nice, but the problem na that money na be the problem. And the man say make two of them make dem plan their life, make the father of that one take care of am. How you wan do this matter? Wetin una think? Because the man no ready. Even before I do this video, I still make am understand say the man don still try to understand this situation. Say as e be, he say the man he no even dey come house. He no care. He dey sleep from friend house to friend house. He say he no dey come house until she resolve this matter because that 400,000 every time e too much. But na this man fit bring this suggestion come for the beginning o. Na he bring am because he no get the idea. He come say e good, but now the man come notice say the money e too much. Wetin una think wey she go do? Abeg my precious people, my responsible people, my valuable people, all these comments una dey give, una dey use am dey help person, una dey use am dey settle home, una dey use am dey build people life. So if una fit talk to this our sister now, I think she go know the next step to take. If na to let the man go find work, go dey take care of him pikin, or you go find the father say okay make the father, if the father fit dey pay half part, then he go dey know say Nigeria no easy to get 400,000 a term. Maybe the father go dey get 200,000. Whether the guy dey okay like that to fit dey afford that kind one, or if na to carry the pikin go meet the father. But I believe say that father fit don marry another woman now, he don get another children, he no go send this one. You know as African people be now. Now this pikin now just dey pity for because na be the victim when they said this matter. Now she be the victim because now the parents first na me dey see for inside here, because like I say they really do as parents. I'm not sure say this girl come dey find all this kind of difficult time for her marriage. You understand? And the girl don try build as give una. Wetin again? My people, abeg una just try, una reason with this our sister. And most of the time person wey don travel comot for house, e don be another person, another family. The things wey dey happen for house again, dem no dey let am dey know. Only where dem for dey let am dey know na when e involve money. As one of our sister talk, e say na we come be backomat. Na when e involve money, dem come say na you dem dey wait for, na you go talk o. Senior go dey o, senior no go talk. You wey dey abroad, wey be junior, na you go come talk because say na you wan bring money come. So my people, I just leave una with this matter. Make una just leave una voice recording and una comment there. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your support. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting others. God bless you guys. God grant your heart desire. And bye. See you on our next video. Abeg, mona not forget to go our channel. Mona go subscribe and still listen to wetin we dey talk for there. Thank you. Bye.